How to use LawDepot employment contract draft properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. LawDepot makes drafting employment contracts quick and easy, but many beginners make mistakes that can cost time, money, or even legal trouble. The surprising truth is that a contract isn't automatically enforceable just because it's online. The first mistake is failing to clearly define the employee's role, duties, and compensation. A vague job description or ambiguous pay terms can lead to disputes or misunderstandings. Always spell out responsibilities, salary, benefits, and probationary periods. Another common error is ignoring state-specific employment laws. Employment rules vary widely from minimum wage and overtime regulations to termination requirements. LawDepot drafts a base document, but you must adjust it to comply with local law. Many users skip including essential clauses like confidentiality, non-compete, or intellectual property ownership. These provisions protect your business, and leaving them out can make it vulnerable to misuse or litigation. Overlooking signature requirements is another pitfall. An unsigned contract or missing witness acknowledgement may not hold up in court. Ensure both parties sign and date the agreement properly, and retain copies. Finally, some assume that templates replace legal advice. Complex situations like hiring multiple employees, independent contractors, or executives often require professional review to avoid legal pitfalls. To use LawDepot employment contract draft properly, clearly define job duties and compensation, adjust for state laws, include protective clauses, ensure proper signatures, and consult a lawyer for complex scenarios. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your employment contracts will protect your business and create clarity for your team.